In this video, we're going to discuss the new JS8Call configuration with Netscraper, the Netscraper app. Just quick review is we've got a window up here that's a remote into the server that I'm running that runs JS8Call application software, and the on-air Netscraper headless bridging software that connects JS8Call software to the on-air Netscraper app remotely through the Netbird VPN that you set up for this configuration. Again, go to netbird.io to learn how to set up Netbird. Anyway, right now I've already configured JS8Call to talk to the headless. You can see it here in the JS8Call connection established. We'll now go over to the app and configure it to talk to JS8Call by bringing up the tool menu and clicking on JS8Call here. You can see the connection is up and we're already receiving and sending traffic. One of the new changes here is that group messages are color coded, so you can clearly see when you get a group message in, such as this heartbeat message. And you can see that we've automatically replied to this message. That is one of the new features in the configuration, and to see how to set that up, let's go up to setup here and click on the gear up here. What you'll see is the JS8Call configurations pertinent to a connection that's running, currently running. Of course, you've got what you're going to have into the message, the frequency, the default frequency that you want to run on, frequency offset you want to run on, which you can change. You can define group here by clicking on the groups configuration, and we have a bunch of pre-canned group configurations set up. You can add to this group any group that you particularly want to. What you add is the group name and the automatic reply that's sent. You can see what we have here is the typical canned replies to these particular groups. The next configuration down is the auto send timers. Here I've got all call is set to 0, which means it will not automatically send all call CQ messages. Heartbeat I have set for 10 minutes. So every 10 minutes a heartbeat is sent out. You can adjust your speed here with that you want to send in the setting right here. The next message down is this is one of the key features that is configured in the new configuration, and that is the no wait message. This allows, as messages come into JS8Call here that have not yet received the message complete flag, will automatically send those buffered messages as each message block comes in. It is sent to the on-air Netscraper app. This is particularly good if you're in a chat session and a user is typing in a long message. It's going to be transmitted in several message blocks, and instead of letting JS8Call sit here and just buffer it up and then send it to the on-air app, as the message block comes in, it's automatically sent through the headless to the JS8Call, the on-air Netscraper app. This is just the app end message configuration. This enables auto reply to your group messages that come in. So if you get in, for instance, as you saw before, the heartbeat message that came in, we automatically reply to it. This message, this configuration here correlates to the auto send timers here, so that if you want to disable, say, this heartbeat message going out every 10 minutes, you just simply uncheck this selection here. Those are the new configurations. As you can see here, by the way, is a no wait message coming in. If we go over here to 1190, the frequency 1190, you will see here, where are we here? Oh, well, that's because it's already come in. I'm getting, anyway, this message right here for KF0DCV was coming in and had not completed, so the first block was sent to on-air NetScraper, and it printed out that incomplete message. But then right after it, the final message came in, and so the entire message gets printed out here. There's two indications that a message is a non-completed message, is that its display is all white here with black lettering, and the other is the collecting message that appears underneath the call sign. Again, the nice thing about this is that you can view messages immediately as they're coming in. If you're in a chat, you can reply early if you want to the particular call sign that you're chatting with. Again, this is the new changes to on-air NetScraper. The main changes to JS8 or with JS8Call. Another change is the halt button here. Basically what this does is, if, say, I hit a send a heartbeat message and I click halt, that heartbeat message will immediately be stopped, as you saw right there, before it is transmitted, or while it's being transmitted, it'll be halted. Again, this allows you to terminate any message you're sending instead of just letting it run its course as in prior releases of on-air NetScraper. Anyway, that is the new changes. Again, if you have any questions or need help with setting this configuration up, just email K3CLR at QRZ or QRZCQ, and I will gladly help you with setting this up and running it.